Gadgets Boy MWC coverage is brought to you by Vodafone UK. What's going on YouTube? It's Gadgets Boy. Welcome to another video. So meet Huawei's foldable smartphone, the Huawei Mate X. It's the world's fastest foldable smartphone. It's the slimmest. It's got 5G and it also features a super fast charging capability. When folded, it folds flat unlike the Royole Flexpai, and with an OLED display, it's vibrant, bright, and I can imagine it will look awesome when watching media content on this device. Its main screen is 6.6 inch at 2480 by 1148 and 29.5 by 9 aspect ratio. The side with a border is 6.38 inches at 2480 by 892 and 25 by 9 aspect ratio. And when it's fully flexed and transformed into a tablet device, you get an 8-inch tablet at 2480 by 2200. It's also 7.3 inches in size if we count the screen cutout. When it's unfolded, it's super thin at just 5.4 millimeters, thinner than that of the iPad Pro, and it has essentially a one-handed grip on the side to make it very easy to hold one-handed in tablet mode. And it's also where the USB-C port is situated as well. Unlike the new Galaxy Fold, the Mate X has a single sheet of display that folds a little bit like the Royole Flexpai. It's 11mm thick compared to the Galaxy Fold 17mm thickness when folded flat. The Huawei Mate X is arguably the best implementation of a foldable phone yet that I've seen anyway. Its hinge is specially designed by Huawei, dubbed Falcon Wing Hinge Design. Mouthful. It's slick the way it folds and unfolds, making it truly a true foldable design. The power button is also multifunctional with a fingerprint sensor built in, so when you press it, it also unlocks your phone at the same time. Huawei claims the Mate X is the world's fastest 5G phone, and that's made possible with the Huawei's Kirin 980 processor with Balong 5000 5G chip. It's also rocking a quad 5G antenna within its chassis with a downlink promise of up to 4.6 gigabits per second, and that's 10 times faster compared to the speed of what 4G can deliver and 2 times the speed of 5G industry level. For you, all that means is when you get 5G on, say, Vodafone, you'll be able to download a 1 gigabyte movie in just 3 seconds. Like the Galaxy Fold, the Mate X has 2 batteries on either side of the device with a total of 4500 mAh battery. And 55 watt supercharge capability means you can also get 85% of juice in just 30 minutes. With a large display, you also be able to run 2 applications side by side for multitasking. For photography, the Mate X camera is co-engineered with Leica. During this hands-on session, Huawei didn't really dive straight or too deep into camera specifications, but once we get that, we add that to the description area so you guys can check that out. With a full tablet mode, you can capture full-sized photos. And you can even see yourself when someone's taking a picture of you. So when you fold it and someone points the camera at you, you'll be able to see what they're pointing at so you can adjust yourself accordingly. If you're worried about dropping it, Huawei will also sell a full cover case for it separately. The Mate X will also be available in the new Interstellar Blue colorway, which should be nice. Pricing and availability information will be in the description area, so do check it out. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions on this, or is there something in particular you want to know or see in another video, do let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you'll be one of the first people to be notified when there's a new video on this channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.